Hello, Indonesia. And this is the chance for me to say good morning to all the networker leaders of Indonesia. I am in this business for now 13 years. And in 13 years, I have seen many things. Some people who join the business and have a success, and also some people who join the business got a little bit of success and stuff. And also I have seen some people who miss this opportunity, to whom we introduce the business and they don't see the value of our business. And I saw many people who join the business, struggle, work hard, and they made it in life, and they achieved the dream. And I am one of these people today. I remember I joined the business in 2007. I was studying in India. I went there for my MBA, and this is when one of my friends introduced network marketing. It was my first time to understand about network marketing. I didn't know anything, but my friend was passionate and told me, Fofana, he said, if 99% you fail, what will happen? Will you die? And I said, no, I will not die, but I will suffer. But for sure, I will not die. Then he asked me another question. If 1% you make it in this business, is your life going to be the same? I said, no, it will be totally different. So I decided to take this chance and join him to do the business. I was a student at that time. I didn't have money, so I borrowed from friends, and I called my family. I called everyone to get me, and I collect the money in 2 days. Very hard. So when I did my sign up 2 days after, I was in a hurry to look for people. But my upline told me I have to get trained first. I have to follow the training before I can present some people. But I said to myself, why? Because for me to bring 2 people, we don't need training. We can just go outside and find people. But they forced me to listen and sit for the training. But with a closed mind. My mind was already closed and fixed to some people. Then after the training, I start to invite my people. Too much excited because I said, this, my life has to change now. Then I call my people, they came. The first people say no. Second people say no. All of them, they say no. But I am so confident and positive. I said, maybe they have a problem. But I don't have a problem. My business don't have a problem. I will continue. So I keep on doing the presentation, and many people were telling me no, until 30, 40, 50 people. When you join the business and the people sign up with you fast, this is good. This is what everybody wants. But for me, it wasn't like that. It doesn't mean also, if people don't sign up with you the first day, it doesn't mean that one day you will not live your dream. But after many people say no, all the people that were saying no, my belief was there to increase. But after some time, everything get decreased. But my upline came and he said, Fofana, everything that you want in life, you have to pay the price. And all these difficulties that you have right now, you are paying the price for the success that will come. This has changed my mind completely. So now every difficulties that I was facing, I was happy because I know this is the price that I'm paying for a success that will come tomorrow. So now I was ready to face any kind of challenge because I knew that for sure I'm paying the price for something big. So my leader told me, the problem of you don't follow the instruction. I decide to accept and follow all the training. And when I follow the training, my network starts to grow. I left India and I came to Ivory Coast here in Abidjan. My network started to grow. The first thing that I will tell you, you have to accept to empty your cup and follow your upline instruction. Your leaders, your upline, they have everything. They have all experience. Just follow that and your journey will be simple and easier. When I came back, even when I started in Ivory Coast, not everybody also, another challenge, not everybody was happy. My father was not too much happy because he didn't understand network marketing. But all the prospects that told me no, they helped me to build my dream. My dream was too big now. So I was focusing on building the network every day, morning, night, and the network has grown. After less than 3 years, I have achieved all the dream that I had when I started the business. All the dream. Everything changed completely. All the people that used to tell me no when I started in Ivory Coast, all of them, after some time, they say yes, 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 and all of them, they join me in the network. So when you start this business, you have to believe in your dream and be willing to pay the price. All the difficulties, people that you are calling and they are not picking your phone, they give you appointment to sign up, and when you call them, they don't pick up the phone. All of this is at the price that you are paying for the success that will come tomorrow. Today, the life that we are living, the life that my downline, all the people who join me, the life that they are living today, where I am today, I could never imagine before that one day I can dare to dream to this kind of life. Everybody today, because I stick to my dream and I believe to my dream. The people that did not believe, today they are very proud. All the family, all the people who join the business, today they become some model of success for the family, for the community, for the village. So today, I'm telling you, we never know how big we are going to make it in this business. We cannot imagine where we are going to be. There is no dream who is too big that Kenneth cannot make somebody to achieve them. So if you are in this business today, if you are following this training today, there is no mistake. It is not for nothing. There is a reason. You have to stick to your dream. You have to believe in yourself. One day you will reach all your dream. Don't get disturbed by people that will tell you this cannot work, or this kind of challenge will come. On the way of success, you will find many challenges and difficulties. You will find many and different types. I meet many challenges from newspaper, from people putting my name on every website and the company name for every kind of challenge, from external, internal challenge, everything. But remember something, every time that you feel down, every time something is reducing your faith, your belief, and your passion, when you are about to say, no, this, I cannot take it anymore, it is because you are facing some challenge, even if you don't know. And when you identify as a challenge, then you face it, and then you work on it, and you overcome all the challenge because you can. My network crashed in 2013. But with the belief, with the team, with the support of everywhere in Sub-Saharan Africa, West Africa, Central Africa, everywhere, we have different top leaders there. So don't get distracted. Just focus on your dream. Believe in your dream, because you are going to make it and become a model of success for your family, for your children, for your village, for your city. Like right now, the situation that all the world is facing, everybody is sitting at home. When this happened here also in Cote d'Ivoire, in Ivory Coast, the first week when they say you cannot go out, I was down. Because the plan that I have with all the team for Africa, for Tunis is very big. I start from the beginning of this year, and I start to work with all the leaders, and I took a new commitment of 10 more years again to build the network 100%. And when this situation happened, we couldn't go out. They told us there is a curfew from 9 p.m. every day. We are not allowed to go outside. I was down for the first 2 days because all the presentation, all the meeting, it happened at night, and now we cannot do what to do. And when I remember that everything gets you down is a challenge, I told to myself, this is a new challenge and we have to overcome it. And with the team, with the counseling, with the great upline, the V partners, and we find some way to readapt ourselves and our business, our system to keep on doing what we know to do, network marketing. And by doing, now I can see everybody, we were waiting for 2020 to come because we felt that this year will help the network to grow everywhere around the world. But today, I know what will make it grow everywhere. This situation in which we are right now is not a challenge, it's an opportunity. Today, we are doing this training through Zoom. Zoom was there before the crisis, but we did not use it. But today we are using it. We will use different type of tools. We will find new ways to do this business. And when all these crises will end, we will have the new ways and the old ways, and the network will explode. Today, I can sit at home every day and present the business to 5 to 10 people directly. I call my friend and I say, sit in front of the computer with all your family, and I send the presentation. I just put it and automatically the presentation happened. After that, he asked me question, different way. We have some ways. Only 60 days. 2 months ago, I could not believe myself doing meeting like that in Zoom. But today we are doing meeting with thousands of people somewhere else. So take this opportunity, take this moment to adapt yourself, to learn new things, to push yourself, because this will make you stronger. Because the challenge comes to strengthen you. So we are in a time of opportunity, guys. There is no business, there is no other opportunity that can give what network marketing can give to someone. Believe in yourself and in your dream. QNet is an exclusive company, and we have some great people on top of QNet, all the V partners, and most of all, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. So you have to believe to this management, believe to the company, believe to your dream. 13 years ago when I joined the business, this company was not big like that. But today, the company has grown so big and keep on growing. And if you want to make your dream real, if you want to be rich with network marketing, there is only one company that exists, and this company is QNet. So believe in your dream, because one day you will see, you will live your dream. So if I want to summarize what we have said today, first, you have to listen to your upline. Follow the instruction. The reason why people say no to me, it is because I did not follow the instruction. Just follow the instruction and the training from your upline. And be willing to pay the price. All the difficulties that you will face during your journey, all the difficulties that you face right now, rejection, people saying no to you, all of these are the price that you are paying for the success that will come. And keep your dream in mind. Keep your dream in your mind. Believe in your dream and in your potential, because you can. Focus on this. Just have your dream in front of your eyes. You will not listen to dream stealer, to people that will try to distract you. And use this beautiful moment. It is true that they have many things in that, but this is an opportunity. This is a challenge, and a challenge is there to strengthen you, to make you find new things, new skill, new opportunity, new potential of yourself. Use this to strengthen you, for you to go straight and max out. Just focus on your dream, and when you have everything, just go straight. Prove to yourself. Get your first people, get your first check, get 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and go straight to the max out with all your team members. Everything that I am today is QNet. Everything from house, wife, children, everything come from this business. I said thank you to the upline, my friend who referred me to this business, because he thought of me, my life has changed, and the life of many of people, thousands of people is getting changed around the world today, around Africa and everywhere. So this is what I wanted to share with you. This is what I wanted to share with you. I thank you very much. Thank you to the day who made this NSS. Thank you to QNet. Thank you to our founder, Dato Sri DJ and Chapadas Bismarck. And again, I'm telling you, believe in your dream, believe in your business, and take this opportunity to make your dream come true. And see you on top, baby. I love you all.